Hello and welcome back to Dorset Property TV, where today you find us on the south coast of England and more specifically the New Forest National Park. Very close proximity, walking distance in fact, to Brockenhurst town centre. The New Forest stretches over 28,000 hectares, is one of the largest remaining unenclosed pasture lands and forestry areas in the south of England, a jewel in the crown, and is mentioned in the Domesday Book. And here we have, nestling in its own private gardens, a traditional 4-bedroom family home. Apologies for the wind buffering. With accommodation well planned and proportioned, and a seamless blend of traditional architecture and contemporary style and design to the accommodation. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video. And without further ado, let's go and take a look inside. The front door gives access to the entrance hall. Understairs storage just on my right hand side, and these stairs are return stairs leading to the first floor accommodation. The lounge is positioned at the front of the property. The focal point being a traditional fireplace with functioning wood burning stove. Double glazed picture window to the front, providing a backdrop of the New Forest. Fabulous location. A traditional property with a contemporary modern day twist, emphasised by this fantastic open plan area, encompassing essentially 3 rooms, the occasional lounge, space on my left hand side for standalone table and chairs, that's an 8-seater. And the custom luxury kitchen, expertly fitted, contemporary in style and design, with integrated appliances, plenty of storage, a centre island unit making a statement. A dual aspect with double glazed window overlooking the rear gardens, and double opening French style doors with matching side screens, again giving access to the gardens. A very sociable space, the heartbeat of any home. Perfect for family gatherings. The kitchen is complemented by a separate utility, essential in this type of location. Muddy paws from those dogs out on those lovely Sunday morning walks in the New Forest. And as we move on through, we have the rear lobby with door providing direct garden access and leading via path to the garage, and separate cloaks with combination boilers servicing both the hot water and heating. Stairs from the entrance hall lead to the half landing with internal door giving access to this family bathroom. Contemporary in style and design, independent shower over the bath and window to the side. These stairs then continue to the first floor accommodation, which encompasses 4 bedrooms, all of which would be classified as doubles. Bedroom 1 boasting an enviable position at the front of the house, storage cupboard just off on my right hand side. As is the theme throughout the property, enjoying a wonderful backdrop, rural outlook. Fabulous location within close proximity of Brockenhurst town centre. Bedroom 1 boasts ensuite facilities, contemporary in style and design again. Modern 3-piece bathroom suite with independent shower of the bath. And heated towel rail. And as we move on through the 3 further bedrooms, bedroom 3 located at the side of the house. Again, more than enough room to accommodate a double bed with wardrobes. Pleasant orientation to the side. The bedrooms on this level are serviced by a separate shower room, heated towel rail, bedroom 2 positioned at the rear of the house and affording a dual aspect with double glazed windows to the side and rear elevations. The rear overlooking the gardens. Beautiful day here in the New Forest. And then bedroom 4 affords a degree of versatility to the property, doubles as a study. Again, a generous sized bedroom if 4 bedrooms are required. Again, located at the rear of the house, overlooking the rear gardens. The property benefits from a garage and private parking to the rear. The gardens to the rear can be accessed via double opening doors from the very sociable open plan living area at the rear of the house, which encompasses the kitchen. Enclosed on 4 sides and affording a degree of privacy and seclusion that you'd expect from such a fabulous rural type location. Access to the garage via pathway and gated access to the private parking. Large patio area adjoining the side of the house. So in summary, if you're looking for a taste of the good life, and as they say, location, 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 then you'd be hard pressed to beat this beautifully presented family home set with its own private gardens, priced at just under $900,000 for the freehold interest. For further information, please contact appointed selling agents Urban and Country Homes, who can be contacted on 01202 971 829. As always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like and subscribe.